Hello everyone, I am V. Malash Kumar from Webcoastlang Engineering College. This is my first internship on embedded systems in Emertex Information Technologies, Bangalore. Here, I to explain the project of washing machine simulation. First, this is the agenda. First, about the organization, about the C language and embedded systems, about the tools required, about the implementation and the result. First, let's see about the organization. Emertex Information Technologies is a private limited pioneer institute in India for embedded systems, Linux and IoT. It's located in Bangalore since 2003. It established itself as a top player in the field of real-time Linux and computer software training, situated on the MG Road, Bangalore. It serves as a one-stop destination for learners from both within the city and across the other regions. Over the years, it has built a strong reputation in the industry. Their commitment to the customer satisfaction alongside the quality of their products and services has helped them accumulate a growing and loyal customer base. Thank you for giving me this opportunity by Emertex to establish my skills in this internship. Next, this is the introduction to C programming. C is a procedural programming language. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year of 1972. It was mainly developed as a system programming language to write an operating system. The features of the C language are: it is a low-level language, it has a simple set of keywords, and it is a clean style. C language is only most suitable for system programming like operation system or compiler development. C programming is used in the system software development, embedded software development, OS kernel development, firmware, middleware and driver development. Embedded C, it is an extension of C language. It is used to develop the microcontroller based applications, etc. Next, this is the flow of the C program, what it happens when a program writes. This is the flow of the C program. First, the program starts with documentation, process statements, next global declaration, next main code, next subfunctions. Here, this is the example. My first code. This is the comment line. This is the documentation line. Next, hash define. This is the preprocess statements. Hash include. This is a header file. Int main. This is the start of the program. Inside this, to display hello world, printf, these are the statements. This is the program termination line. This is the flow of the C program. This is the example. Next, the things that are learnt in embedded C. What is? First, these are the keywords in the embedded C. For example, int for while means integer. Int keyword is used to represent the integers. For and while are used in loops. In embedded C, there are 4 types of number systems: decimal, octal, hex, binary. We can represent the data in bit form, byte form and word form. These are the basic data types. This is the integer. First means integral, floating point. In the integral, there are 2 types: character, integer. In the floating points, there are float, double. Integral means it represents only integer forms. Character means it represents only characters. Floating point, float means it represents only pointing numbers. Double means largest pointing number it represents. Next, data modifiers. Based on the size and signess, data modifiers are classified into 2 types. For the size means short, long, long. Sign means signed, unsigned number. Next, in this I have learnt many things like arrays, pointers, functions, string, memory segments, preprocessors. Array means array is a continuous storage of the elements. Function means it is used to promote reusability. We can call any function from anywhere in the program. Preprocessor means, like our previous example, hash define pi.catch is a preprocessor directive. Next, conditional statements, if we come, means we have 2 types: single iteration, multi iteration. Single iteration means if and else family. Next, switch case. Multi-iteration means for loop, while loop, do while loop. Next, we have to learn about operators. Uh, Operators are classified into arithmetic, logical, relational, bitwise. Arithmetic means normal stuffs like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, etc. Logical means and or not equal to formulas. Relational means equal to, greater than, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to things. Bitwise means another bitwise and bitwise or bitwise XOR, bitwise left shift operator, bitwise right shift operator, etc. Next, introduction into the embedded system. Embedded system, it may be a microprocessor or a microcontroller. It is based on the system of hardware and software, designed to perform the dedicated functions with a large mechanical or the electrical system. Categories of the embedded software means there are 5 types of categories: standalone embedded system, real-time embedded system, networked embedded system, mobile embedded system, hybrid embedded system. In the standalone, there are 2 types: slave, independent. Slave means semi-automated, independent means fully automated. Next, we move on to the next topic. That these are the components. This is the software. This is the microprocessor. For this, I want all these components: DAC, digital to analog converter, analog to digital converter, actuators, sensors, auxiliary system, human interfaces. This is the diagnostic port, memory. All of them are needed. Then these are the requirements: reliability, cost effectiveness, low power consumption, efficient usage of power processing, efficient usage of the memory. Next, these are the challenges that we are really facing during this development. What are the first challenges means? We have to give the efficient input. For this efficient input, it will give the efficient output. This is the first challenge. Embedding on OS. So if we have an operating system, we have to embed this with that. So this is one of the challenges. Code optimization. We are all write code, but we have to write the optimized code. This is one of the challenges. Next, testing and debugging. Testing and debugging is one of the main important feature in this development. For each development, after each development, you have to test and debug the errors. Next, we have to maintain the safety. Next, we have maintain this program must have the perfect maintainability and flexibility. Next, development. For this development, I need this. I need processors, memory, operating system, programming languages that we use embedded C, development tools. Common design matrix. That means we have to provide time to prototype. We have to prototype our model in time. Our power that is needed, performance and correctness is needed. Time to market is also needed. Unit cost is also needed. Next, what is microcontroller? It is an integrated circuit capable to program to perform a specific task. Next, it is designed normally, but it has restrictions based on its memory size, input-output capabilities, peripheral functions. If we have to select a microcontroller applications, we have to keep this all in mind. First, performance, price, availability of tools, special capabilities. Next, this is the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. In microprocessor, all are separate components. That means RAM, ROM, timer, LED, all are separate. It is flexible, but more design complexity means we need to integrate all. In microcontroller, all components in a single chip. That means timer, LED, all are in a single chip. It is less flexible, less design complexity. This is the difference. Next, this is our project. That's a washing machine simulation. This is a normal washing machine. Washing machine is called as laundry machine, cloth washer, or simply a washer. It is the purpose of the washing machine is to wash the laundry clothes. This machine uses the water, dry cleaning, and etc. And we use many liquids, washing liquids to use this. We also add the laundry detergent in liquid form or powder form. Our normal washing machine contains a barrel in which we place all the cloths. Next barrel is filled with water and then rotated with high speed, allowing the water and detergent to remove the dirt from the cloths. Most of the washing machines are designed with dispensers for detergents to clean the cleaning process. Washing machine plays an important role in modern society. If you are living in a modern society or in any place for washing clothes, washing machine saves time. It is an important thing. It also helps in reduce the time and energy and human labor also. There are various types of washing machines are available. Each has different features and has different modes of operation. Right. Next. This is our project overview. In this internship, I have implemented a washing machine control system using the PIC 16F877A microcontroller. These are the specifications of a microcontroller. It has 8 bits bus width, 40 pins, 33 input output pins. It has 4.3 kilobytes. Next, it has a CPU speed of 5 MIPS, that means million instructions per second. RAM size is 368 bytes. EEPROM size is 256 bytes. Ports in PIC 16F887M is 5 ports. Port A, Port B, Port C, Port D, Port E. Port A, it is a 6-bit port configurable, input or output based on the status of TRISC register. Port B, it is a 8-bit portable, use both input and output. 8C also 8-bit port. You have to use it as input and output. It depends on the TRISC register. Port D, it is also an 8-bit port, typically used for LED interfacing and general purpose I/O. Port E, a 3-bit port, often used for analog input. This microcontroller is well suited for the embedded system applications like washing machines due to its reliability, speed, and ease of programming. This is the architecture of PIC 16F887A. It has RS-232 LEDs, buzzer, digital keyboard, SSDs, matrix keyboard, CLCD, analog to digital converter, temperature sensor, EEPROM, GPIO. This is the architecture. Next, these are the software tools that I used to implement this project. First, MPLAB XIDE v5.0, X8 compiler, PIC SimLab. This is used to run our project. These both are, this IDE is used to write. This IDE X8 compiler is used to compile and give our hex file. Next, modes in washing machine. This project we have implemented all these modes: daily modes, heavy modes, delicate modes, white modes, stain wash, eco cottons, woolen, bed sheets, rinse plus dry, dry only, wash only, aqua stream. Next, for all modes, these are the water levels: low, medium, max, auto, high. These are all water levels and modes. Next, this is our PIC 16F8MA microcontroller. For this we all need this 4 only. This is I connected to door. This is key 4, key 5, key 6. Door is connected to RB0. Key 4 is connected to RB3. Key 5 is connected to RB4. K6 is connected to RB5. Next, this is our implementation. First, as soon as the power on the washing machine, a message is displayed. Thus, press key 5 to power on the washing machine. It is displayed on that display. After pressing the key 5, it also displays the powering on washing machine. Next, it also shows all the washing programs like daily, heavy, delicates, and many more, etc. Next, with the help of switch 4, we can scroll down. Next, we can press the key 4 for a long time, and then we have to select the modes, and then we have to go to the next level and select the different water levels. These are the water levels: auto, low, medium, high, and max. We have to scroll by long pressing the switch 4. Next, after selecting this message will be displayed. Press switch 5 to start, press switch 6 to stop. If we click the switch 6, program will be stopped and returns to the washing programs. If we click switch 5, it will start the program and it will perform the selected program. That in CLCD, for this particular selected program, minutes and seconds will be appeared. When the machine starts to run, the motor fan will rotate and will display the remaining time. If the user press switch 6, it will pause wash stopping and motor also stops rotating. If the switch 1 is not pressed, it indicates the washing machine door is closed. If you press the switch 1, the door is open and buzzer will turn on, indicate that the door is open. And it is also display a message like door open, please close. When the washing is completed, the time returns to 0, the buzzer turns on, indicating take your clothes back. It also displays program completed, remove clothes. This is my simulation. First, in this only our message, press key 5 to power on the washing machine. This message will be displayed. Next, if I click the switch 4, it will display the RB4 button. It displays all the washing program details. Next, I click the RB3 button to scroll all the washing program details to see. If I long press RB3 button, I can able to select the program. In this, I select stain wash. Next, I also press the RB3 button to select the water levels. If I click the long press, I select the water level. If I long press this, I select the water level as high. Next, this is the program. It displays press switch 5 to start, switch 6 to stop. If I click RB4 button for a long time, it will lead to start. We have to long press it, just wait. Just wait, it will open. We have to completely long press. Keep pressing it. Fill with your patience and keep pressing it. Keep trying. Keep trying. Keep pressing it for a long time, for a long press. Keep trying, keep trying. Now, our program starts. This for stain wash, rinse and spin. For wash, time will display. Next, this is our buzzer. It also display message door open, please close. If I click button 6, it will lead to stop. Next, I will also pause it. Next, this is spin, our third mode. Finally, buzzer is over. It displays clothes. Next it will display the washing programs. This is our implementation, right? Next, these are the results, different screens. First, press key 5 to power on washing machine, powering on washing machine, washing program details. Next, water level details. Next, press switch details. This is the program details. That's all.